morning. We're up and at 'em. We're packed. We're ready to go. Short little trip down to the highway where we got some food being brought to us by the family of my wonderful hiking companions. So we'll be able to get stocked up there before our next 4 or 5 day push into Pine. So that is what we're looking at today. Nice little downhill. I gotta tell you, last night was chilly. This shirt was drying on a bush. Turns out this was the first night where there was actual dew in Arizona, and oh my gosh, was this shirt cold! But we lived. And I'll get warm as soon as I get on the trail. So it begins. Be some fun four-wheeling if I still had my Jeep. Dang. Unfortunately, it's kind of hard to walk down. I think there's a waterfall down there, but we do have some rather green water over here, and this is the money shot right here. You see this? Let me teach you the ways of through hiking. That little waterfall there, you can stick your bag underneath and you can fill it in like a minute, or you can pull it through that clear water that has no green in it and get some clear water from there. That is how you do it when you're through hiking. Sunflower, that valley over there has a nice highway in it. We're going to be meeting our resupply. We just got to get down. Known as a cruisy trail. Almost flat, not a lot of rocks on it. Unless you actually walk normally, it's kind of cool. There haven't been many cruisy trails on this AZT, but I'm enjoying this one. What kind of a snake is this? It is, yeah, it's not a poisonous one, I don't think. He doesn't have the diamond-shaped head. He doesn't have a rattle on. Because someone managed to ditch some cars. What do you think, back in the 60s or the 50s? Huh. America. Relaxation time. We pushed hard all the way down from camp. Now we're pausing for a moment of reflection. Poor Cheers is bleeding over there. You can tell him sobbing tears of pain. Ah! And over here, we have Take Charge, who's still not in the shade. I'm not sure what she's doing.
Getting undressed.
Ah! Crazy good view though. I like the view from this. Look at all the guppies. This is beautiful. This is the most beautiful creek I've seen in Arizona.
I know.
Oh my. So we're into a new passage now, heading up into the Mazatzals. And thankfully, we got a fairly short afternoon, which is going to be much appreciated by my body after yesterday's grueling workout. But yeah, it's fascinating. All of us have been commenting about how it seems like as soon as you go into a new passage of this trail, the character of the trail changes. And here it seems like almost freshly dug. Lots of dirt. Lots of shade trees, and just on the other side of the highway, there's none of this. So it's fascinating how abruptly things change. This is a neat little valley we're going into. Our bed is going to be down at the bottom. This looks pretty gorgeous. Cozy campsite over by, what spring is this again? Somewhere behind those trees. It's a wash. A nameless spring behind this wash. Or behind this bush. Should be cozy enough.